In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Facebook. Let's get started by opening Facebook. You can do this either in your web browser on a computer or through the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. For this walkthrough, I'll focus on using a web browser, since that's where you have the clearest access to your account settings and related time options. Once Facebook is open, make sure you're logged into the correct account. This matters because any time-related settings will apply only to the account you're currently using. After you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small profile picture or an account menu icon. Click that to open the account menu. From this drop-down menu, choose the option that takes you to your settings and privacy area. Then click on Settings. This is where Facebook keeps all of your main controls, including those that affect how time and dates appear for your activity, your posts, and any connected features. Inside the Settings page, you'll see a list of sections along the left side, such as General Account Settings, Security, and Privacy. Here, you're mainly looking for any region or language settings or anything labeled similar to time or date. Facebook doesn't always have a direct time zone toggle in the same way some apps do, but your time zone is usually based on your device and your chosen region. At this point, the key step happens outside Facebook. Check your device's time zone. On your computer or phone, open your system date and time settings and make sure the time zone is set to the location you want. For example, if you've moved to a different country or region, update your device to that new time zone. Once your device is set correctly, refresh Facebook or restart the app. Facebook will use your device's time zone when showing the time for posts, messages, and notifications. If you manage a Facebook page and you're scheduling posts, go to your page's Professional or Publishing Tools area. When you create or schedule a post, look carefully at the time that appears. It should now match the time zone you set on your device. Always double-check the scheduled time before confirming, especially after changing time zones. Finally, give everything a quick test. Create a test post or check a recent activity and confirm that the displayed time lines up with your local time. Once it does, you're all set, and your Facebook experience will reflect the correct time zone.